Adriel asked, "Hey guys, I just want to ask, will the added treatment be effective as regrowing hairs on the right and the left side of the head, and the back of the head as well? I think I'm experiencing a symptom called diffuse pattern alopecia. So my hair across my scalp is thinning." So, Adriel, thank you for posting your question. This actually just ties in exactly what I was just talking about. Absolutely. And like the left, the right, the back, the hairline, the crown, all the same cause. Blood flow, there's one cause, blood flow restriction to the hair follicle. If you stop that restriction, you're going to have great results. And honestly, diffuse thinning is actually really, it's actually pretty easy to reverse. So, diffuse is more of a female, like normal female pattern, where male pattern is kind of like the crown or the temples and the crown, and the diffuse is just overall general thinning. So it's actually pretty easy to reverse. So you're in a great spot.